There's seagulls here. There aren't seagulls over there. Or over there. But check out this cloud, right? I think it's going that way. The whole thing. Seagulls, turn around. That's kind of the beginning or the end of it. And it's like a blanket over half the sky. When I came out, it was just a sliver over there. Now it's half the sky. But look over there, beautiful blue sky. No clouds in it. If I stand in the sun, yeah, doesn't that look lovely? It actually feels warm. Check out that beautiful tree. So it's 15 degrees out here. Hello. I opened the windows to let the heat in. It'll be toasty when I get back. Baiting the seagull. He's going through all the motions. Picking that up. It's not peanuts, is it? Yeah, careful of that. Hello. Does that sound like someone's territory? Oh, these are the cat nibbles. Not made of cat, just... Ew. It's like, yeah, so why didn't it all come at the bottom of the container? Okay. But I think if I go with the ham, I think the seagulls will have it. Let's just try. Oh, two guys. Another one. Well, that was a rubbish throw. Ah, what is the smallest portion that a seagull would go for? That's interesting. See, these are all quite small parts now. Oh, that looks like a part a seagull could get. What about that? So it might yet be that you could feed the crows with ham among seagulls. Oh. I think that guy got some ham there. Oh, look at that. Had to touch down to go for that ham. Flying's pretty awesome, isn't it? That. Just going for the ham. Oh, we do have some peanuts in the other pocket. God, this guy just flew right through the whole battle space. Is he coming back? Oh, did he go for the ham or did he go for a peanut? That's interesting. Oh, he did go for the peanuts. Or the ham. Can't tell. Seagull frenzy. Oh, they're getting closer to the... Look how many? Closer to the ground. Hover. Oh, I think they're going for peanuts. Uh-oh, we might be in trouble, lads. Seagulls do go for peanuts after all. Might have to cancel that t-shirt order. Hey, 4 crows. That's cool. Nice cool. Yeah, I think they're eating peanuts now. Oh god. No. Oh my god, they might even be going for suet. Once they get on the ground, oh, I think they can just hoover it up. Uh-oh. Judgment Day. I taught seagulls to eat peanuts and suet. Oh man. Better keep my mouth shut about that. It's difficult to tell. Let's go and see the guys over here who are waiting for me.